As you can tell, these makeup brushes are in much need of some TLC. Stay tuned while I show you guys how I clean them and make them look brand new again.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. It's been long overdue, and when I say these brushes are disgusting, it's bad, and I know it. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm using to clean these brushes. And I haven't been using my makeup brushes since they've gotten this way. I've really just been using the old school foam wedges for makeup applications. I really want to get back into using my makeup brushes, and I just haven't had any really good cleaning tools to help keep my makeup brushes clean. So guys, I'm going to just show you some of the things that I'm about to use really quick before I start cleaning. I got this makeup brush cleansing bowl. So it has like little ridges and just little things to kind of help break up all of the makeup and gunk and stuff. So that's really cool. And it also has little slots in here that is supposed to be able to fit all different sizes of your makeup brushes. So all you do is insert your makeup brushes into the little slots here and then hang them upside down in this little bowl here. And it's supposed to help air dry quicker as opposed to just laying them flat. I have a different option. I really like this bowl as far as the cleaning aspect of it, but for the drying, I got something else. I got the stylpro, which is also a cleanser for your makeup brushes, but I tried it out already, guys. It was an epic fail, but what I really did like about this was how well it dried the brushes. So I'm going to use this for that as opposed to just hanging them upside down in this. So for my cleaning solution, I'm going to use distilled white vinegar alongside Mrs. Meyer dish soap, which I love so much more than Dawn soap. I decided to use something a little bit more natural, especially if I'm going to be using it on my face. So we're going to see if it works out. We're hoping for the best. So I'm going to start by putting some distilled white vinegar in the bowl and then put some of the Meyer's dish soap alongside it. And then just a little bit of water. So the brush that I'm going to start out with is the one that I think is really dirty. And all I'm going to do is start pushing the brush down in a circular motion and then try to just really break up some of the makeup.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant, you have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday, life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7. Like...
So they have these different little slots in here, and you just pick which one that fits on your brush. And you want it kind of snug. You don't want it to be loose because you are spinning it. So make sure it's really snug in there. Then you take the little attachment that it comes with and insert it into the other side of this piece here. You can use the bowl just for any splatter that may occur. This brush isn't really that soaked though, so I'm interested to see if there's a lot of water that may come from it, but this will really help it to dry. That's amazing how just spinning this brush makes it so much drier. I absolutely love this stylpro. So now I'm going to show you guys where I'm actually going to store my brushes just to keep them from all the dust and debris. As you can see, I've been keeping all of my makeup brushes in this little makeshift container here. The only thing with that is that your brushes can still be exposed to like dust. So what I got instead is this product from Amazon. It is really neat because not only can I organize my brushes in 3 different compartments, but it also has a lid attached to it. This will hopefully keep my brushes cleaner a lot longer. So I'm excited to use this. I'm going to show you guys what it'll look like with my new clean brush. Oh gosh, this looks so good. I don't know if you remember, but it was like really yellow up here and it just did not look good at all. and it smells good. So anyway, you just push your brush down into it like that, and then you can just close the little lid. It looks so cute. So let's go ahead and try and see if it works as successfully with all of my makeup brushes. Let's see if it holds up.
Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday, life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7.
Y'all, look at this. This is probably one of my worst brushes right now. It is very clumpy, and so we're gonna see if we can get this back to its original state. So let's see.
Like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it.
Y'all, look how bad this is. This looks like liquid foundation. Is so thick. I'm gonna have to rinse this out and put some more solution in here, because this brush is, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. This is disgusting. Oh my gosh. So I washed and rinsed this brush a couple times. As you can see, the color is starting to come back. I do like this solution. I think the vinegar really helps break it up fairly easily, as well as this bowl. I am in love with this bowl. It makes it so easy to clean. I don't feel like it's being too harsh on the bristles in my brush either. Let's go ahead and see if I can get this completely clean and looking brand new.
Very first time, it could be the best of days, it could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why? Why do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring.
Guys, this brush looks so good. It is so clean now, and I just am so excited to use this again.
Every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday, life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, instead I'm thinking of strangers, I'm thinking of haters, I'm thinking of laying down for a nap right here on the pavement. I'm thinking of payday, worried I won't make it. First I think of a delicate thing, and then of a break it. I'm thinking of habits, yeah, all of the bad bits. Wish there was a sequel map to the good parts, and I could have it. But mama says bad days are necessary. The only way to notice a good day, and I guess it makes sense what she said. But I'm hoping for good days. Mama says bad days are necessary, but I'm hoping for good days.
Look at these makeup brushes. I am so excited. They all look so clean and brand new. I don't even remember the last time I saw the original color on these brushes. They're so soft, and this was probably one of the worst ones, but it came out so nice. I absolutely love this cleaning method, and I hope you guys do too.
Like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven.
Y'all, talk about clean. My brushes are finally clean, and y'all saw how dirty they were, so I was really happy that it worked. And these products were amazing. I really do like the stylpro. I wouldn't just use that for drying, but for the purpose of the video and the fact that my brushes were just, they needed a deep cleaning. So the bowl came in handy. I'll have the link for this makeup cleaning bowl below, as well as the stylpro, which is so awesome, and it fit all of my makeup brushes. But let me show you really quick how to clean a brush using this product, because it still is a really good makeup brush cleaner. So let me just show you guys really quick how to do that. So it's pretty much the same process. Just put your cleaning solution into the container and just add a little bit of water. That was my issue last time I tried this. And dip your brush in, and it just cleans the brush so well. And once I rinse the makeup brush, I just put it back in the container and spin it like so. And you'll notice all of the water coming off of the brush. And just like that, your brush is nice and clean. And more importantly, it's dry. Oh my gosh, this is like such a game changer that your brushes can be dry, because normally it would take like at least a day or so for your brushes to be completely dry. That's why I really love the stylpro. So that is it, you guys. If you like the products that I showed you, I have the links below. And you guys, I am just so in love with this container, because now I know that my brushes will stay clean. Just look how easy it is to keep everything organized. It is just the cutest thing. So I'll have the link for this container as well in the description box below. I really hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave a comment. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye!
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no.